Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to master the Wizard class. This guide has everything you need to level up your Wizard gameplay. Note that the content of this video may change in the future as updates or new information becomes available. With the Lightning Sword talent, the Crystal Sword's damage is converted to lightning damage, making it an excellent choice for a Thunder Wizard build. Arcane Mastery allows you to deal bonus damage to enemies from a distance, keeping you safe while hitting hard from afar. In Spell Surge, casting different types of spells, whether thunder, fire, or ice, within 10 seconds grants bonus damage, making it a powerful combo tool. Arcane Skin boosts your team's magic resistance, providing better defense against magical attacks. Fireball comes with 3 stacks, allowing you to cast it up to 3 times. It deals a huge amount of damage and knocks back enemies, making it a reliable offensive spell with crowd control potential. You can cast Fireball up to 5 times, stack it twice before it goes on cooldown, and then cast it 3 more times once the cooldown resets. You can use this maneuver to strategically defeat bosses or elite monsters. You can also use Fireball to destroy structures like boxes, fences, and doors, clearing the way. Firewall creates a wall of fire on the ground, dealing damage over time to any enemies that stand in its path. To use this spell effectively, block your enemy's path and let them burn in place as the fire damages them over time. Fire Beam unleashes a continuous fire laser, dealing damage over time to any enemies it hits. This spell is great for mid-range fights, allowing you to deal damage to enemies while keeping your distance. You can also lure enemies in and use Fire Beam, letting the fire pierce through them. By gaining 1 point in Mastery, your fire damage will not cause enemies to burn, dealing additional damage over time. With 2 points in Mastery, your magical damage will increase by 5%. With 3 points in Mastery, you will reduce enemies' healing by 50% while they are burning. For equipment, use the full Arcanist set to boost your wisdom, and equip will accessories to maximize your mastery. Ice Arrow, unleash 4 frost arrows that target an enemy, dealing damage with each hit. This spell has 2 stacks, meaning you can cast it up to 2 times. Try to use this spell in open spaces, as hitting an obstacle will prevent it from dealing any damage to enemies. Ice Block makes you invulnerable for 4 seconds and heals you for a small amount of health during that time. This spell is great for blocking all incoming damage while also healing you at the same time. You can also recast it to end the effect sooner. Ice Pillar summons a pillar that slows enemies and deals damage over time to those within its area. You can use this spell to block the path of enemies chasing you, giving you time to escape. At 1 mastery point, dealing 6 ice damage will cause enemies to freeze, temporarily immobilizing them. At 2 mastery points, you should freeze enemies with just 4 ice damage, though it's currently not working as intended. It still requires 6 ice damage to freeze them for now. At 3 mastery points, you will gain a shield when you take damage, providing extra protection. To max out your mastery, you'll need the mysterious novice cap and shoes for increased dexterity, while the rest of your gear should be arcanus to boost wisdom. For accessories, focus on dexterity to further enhance your stats. Combine Ice Pillar and Ice Block to trap your enemies, freezing them in place while you deal damage. Thunder Strike releases a thunderbolt that deals damage to a specific area. Blink dashes you forward, and if you recast it, you'll be teleported back to your original position. You can use this spell to scout locations safely. You can also dash through your enemies with this spell, confusing them or allowing you to attack from behind. Thunder Havoc has a short casting time, then releasing a thunderstorm in your dot surroundings that deals damage over time to enemies within the area. With 1 mastery point, after dealing lightning damage 5 times, you can cast Thunder Havoc instantly. It also reduced Thunder Havoc cooldown from 60 seconds to 40 seconds. With 2 mastery points, your damage will increase each time you deal lightning damage, stacking up to 10 times. You can also gain stacks by attacking chests and doors. With 3 mastery points, you'll decrease enemies' magic resistance when they are near you. To max out your mastery, equip the wizard robe and the rest of the Arcanist set. For accessories, focus on Constitution to boost your stats and survivability. Here's my personal wizard build, a powerful combination of fire and ice to deal damage and control the battlefield. With this build and the knowledge you've gained in this video, you're now ready to challenge and defeat the Pain Warden. I hope I've covered everything you need to know in this video. Good luck in your adventures, and see you in the next video.